In the evolving landscape of small business finance, choosing the right accounting software can feel like navigating a maze. Kashoo, a cloud-based accounting solution, often surfaces as a contender, especially for freelancers and small business owners looking for a straightforward way to manage their books. A common question that arises for those new to accounting or preferring a hands-on approach is, can I learn Kashoo myself? As an accounting software expert, I can confidently state that yes, you absolutely can learn Kashoo yourself. In fact, Kashoo is specifically designed with ease of use in mind, catering to individuals who may not have a formal accounting background. Its intuitive interface and simplified features make it highly accessible for self-learners. However, learning it yourself doesn't mean you're entirely on your own. It means you're empowered to utilize the available resources and the software's inherent simplicity to become proficient. Let's explore why Kashoo is a good candidate for self-learning and what resources are typically at your disposal. Why Kashoo is suited for self-learning. User-friendly interface. Kashoo prides itself on simplicity. Its dashboard is generally clean and uncluttered, providing a quick overview of your financial health. Key functions like adding income, expenses, and managing invoices are typically straightforward. This intuitive design reduces the intimidation factor often associated with accounting software, making it easier for non-accountants to jump in and start managing their basic transactions. Focus on core accounting. Unlike more comprehensive ERP systems that might include complex inventory management, advanced project costing, or multi-tiered payroll, Kashoo hones in on the essential accounting needs of small businesses. Invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and basic financial reporting. By limiting its feature set to the most crucial elements, it avoids overwhelming new users. Cloud-based accessibility. As a cloud-based platform, Kashoo is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This means you can learn and work on your books from your office, home, or on the go using a web browser or its mobile app. This flexibility supports continuous learning and practice. Automation of basic tasks. Kashoo incorporates automation to simplify routine tasks. For instance, connecting your bank accounts allows for automatic import of transactions, which you can then categorize. The software also aims to streamline bank reconciliation. These automated features reduce manual data entry and the chances of error, making the learning curve less steep. Resources for self-learning Kashoo. While Kashoo is designed to be intuitive, no software is truly self-explanatory for all its nuances. The good news is that reputable software providers like Kashoo offer a range of resources to support self-learners, official help centers, and knowledge bases. This is your first stop. Kashoo, like most accounting software, has a dedicated online help center. These typically contain step-by-step guides, how to set up your account, connect bank feeds, create invoices, record expenses, etc. FAQs, answers to common questions and troubleshooting tips. Glossaries, explanations of accounting terms within the software's context. Video tutorials, visual walkthroughs of key features and processes, which can be incredibly helpful for visual learners. Webinars and online workshops. Kashoo often provides free webinars and online workshops, catering to various skill levels, from Accounting 101 for small business owners to specific Kashoo setup guides. These live or recorded sessions offer structured learning paths and often include opportunities to ask questions. Blog articles and guides. The Kashoo website's blog and resources section often publish articles on accounting basics, tax tips, and how to leverage Kashoo's features for common business scenarios. These guides can help you understand why you're performing certain actions in the software, linking software functions to underlying accounting principles. In-app guidance and tooltips. Many modern software applications, including Kashoo, incorporate in-app guidance. This might come in the form of interactive tours for new users, pop-up tooltips explaining specific fields or features, or prompts that guide you through a process. Pay attention to these cues. They're designed to help you. Community forums, if available, while less common for every niche software, some platforms foster user communities where you can ask questions and get advice from other users. Even if Kashoo doesn't have a direct forum, general accounting forums can often help with conceptual questions that apply across software. Direct customer support. Even for self-learners, it's reassuring to know that direct support is available. Kashoo typically offers support via email, live chat, and sometimes phone. Don't hesitate to reach out if you get stuck on a specific feature or encounter an issue that the self-help resources can't resolve. What you'll need to bring to the table. While Kashoo makes learning accessible, your success in self-learning will also depend on a few things. Patience and persistence. Learning any new software, especially one that deals with your business's finances, requires time and effort. Be prepared to dedicate consistent time to understanding its functions. Basic understanding of your business transactions. You don't need an accounting degree, but knowing what constitutes income, expenses, assets, and liabilities for your specific business will be a huge advantage. Willingness to practice. The best way to learn is by doing. Start by inputting your actual business transactions, or use a trial account if available, and practice generating reports. Attention to detail. Accuracy in accounting is paramount. Double-check your entries and reconcile your accounts regularly. A why. Understanding why you need to track specific financial data, e.g., for tax purposes, to understand profitability, to manage cash flow, will motivate your learning process.